narinig ko kay Brad Eli in detail tungkol sa mga salon na may gumagamit ng mga harsh chemicals, nakaka-cancer. And at that time, I was a CEO of a salon industry, no? Of a salon corporation. And then, right then, pagkatapos ko mapakinggan yon, tinawagan ko agad yung staff ko, tinanong ko ano ba yung mga materials na ginagamit, ano ba yung mga active ingredients. And then I found out, I was also one of the contributing factors kaya nagkakaroon ng mga sakit ng babae. Hindi ko makonsensya yun. No? I couldn't sleep well at night knowing na kasama ako doon sa gumagawa nun. No? At the time, it was the biggest problem I had because pagka inalis ko kasi yung gupit, baka hindi mag-work. Yun ang nasa isip ko agad. No? I don't know if it's gonna work. Pero dahil sa pananampalataya, I had to step down as a CEO. So bumaba ako as a CEO of that company. Sinamahan ko ng panalangin. I gambled on this salon. Sabi ko, Panginoon, bahala ka na po. Susunod ako sa iyo. Gabayan mo lang ako. So I had to come up with a solution para yung mga kababaihan natin, makasunod sila sa aral ng Diyos at the same time, gumanda sila nang hindi sila lumalabag sa aral. That was my biggest struggle is, paano ka magbubukas ng salon na walang gupit? Na walang fashion color? Yan ang uso ngayon. Yung mga ash gray, blonde, yung mga Korean hairstyle, right? But, I found out later on, napaka-high pala ng demand ng treatment. It's actually, the highest demand is actually the treatment. Kasi, mas madaling magsira ng buhok kaysa mag-ayos ng buhok eh. There's more demand sa sirang buhok. So, yun ang naging biggest struggle ko is how do I rebrand something na totally walang gupit because it's so weird. It is so awkward na walang gupit. So, mula nung na-overcome ko yun, nagkaroon kami ng script. I wrote a script na kapag may pumasok, ito sasabihin natin. I made a video, parang introduction, para malaman nila yung process ng Natural One Salon. So far, with God's help, wala pa naman kami naging problema sa kahit isang customer. When the first time na marinig ng customer, wala kayong gupit? Why? Why? Well, because we stand by our belief. We want nature to take its course. Natural ng buhok mo yan eh. Palaguin natin. No, we want nature to take its course. So it is weird, but at the same time, it's also an eye-opener to a lot of people na, ay, meron palang ganitong salon na hindi ka gugupitan pero maganda naman kalalabasan ng buhok mo. Pwede kang magnegosyo nang hindi nahahadlangan ang iyong pananampalataya sa Diyos. Let us think of ways na we can have a successful business but also glorifying God. The only purpose that we have here as Christians is to do God's will. The biggest and simplest advice that I can give sa kahit sinong negosyante, this is gonna sound so cliche and so basic. Unahin mo ang Diyos. Unahin mo ang Diyos. Kasi pag may Diyos ka sa buhay, lahat ng gagawin mo, gagabayan. And then add two more things, no? Add wisdom and hard work. Kasi kahit manalangin tayo, tamad ka naman, hindi ka rin naasenso. Hindi mo sinasamahan ng knowledge. You gotta learn the business. Kahit ano pa negosyo yan. Okay, magnegosyo ka ng lugawan. Well, you have to learn and do the research. Lahat ng dapat mong gawin para maging pinakamasarap kang lugawan sa area nyo. You have to know your competition. What time do they open? Maybe you need to open 30 minutes earlier. Maybe you have to stay an hour later. Maybe you have to be 24 hours. So, kinakailangan samahan mo ng wisdom, no? Technical know-how, wisdom in business, and also sipag. Those two things, sabi sa kapikaan, ang kamay ng masipag, yung mayaman. You have to love what you're doing, you know? Kasi dito sa Natural One Salon, actually, ang pinaka-foundation ng Natural One Salon, na iuwi sa isang salita love, pag-ibig. Pag nagpunta dito ang customer, they will feel the difference. Pati dito, iba. Ibang gamit, iba treatment, pati tubig, sobrang linis. The whole place is also very clean because we believe in the Bible. You know, cleanliness is godliness. It's not next to godliness. Cleanliness is godliness dahil ang Diyos malinis. Dapat lahat ng gawin natin malinis. Pati sa CR, malinis kami dito. Nakakatiyak ang mga customer na pupunta dito na we do our best and we love them. That's why we do it. Pag-ibig.